Yeah, we do.
All right, great. All right, great.
I can hear you.
Back.
Hear you.
What is up? All right. All right, great morning, great afternoon, everyone. Right, how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing?
We're good, bro. And you?
I'm very fine.
Thank God, bro.
Okay. Emmanuel, we have two Emmanuels here. Which is which? Which is which? Right.
Emmanuel Europe.
Okay, we have Emmanuel Europe and we have Emmanuel UK, right?
Yeah.
Right, great. Welcome. If you just joined us, this is the day the Lord has made. We will be glad in it. I've been busy today, so if you tested me and I didn't reply you, so sorry. So sorry. So sorry if you tested me, I haven't replied to you. What is this? All right, so guys, do let me know where you are from, those on the live session. Today is Saturday 13th of today's Saturday 13th of what?
November.
Right? Great, November. So do like the video, tell me where you are coming from, and let's start something. Right, we have interesting pairs or interesting signals that we are going to be trading on, right? Yes. All right, so let's fish for some likes. So we are, I think, almost 70 people. We have 20 likes. So guys, kindly do like this video whilst you are watching the video. Let's push this into 50, right, before we continue. Let's push this into 50 before we continue. We have 24 now, 27. Yes, let's keep pushing it up. 36, great. Let's keep pushing it up. 39, okay. 41, 9 more. Let's keep pushing it up.
Four more.
Right, 4 more. Let's keep pushing it up.
Remember, on this video is financial advice. Stay above some key support levels or guys, and you see how these meme coins seem to take part.
Right, so we have 50, so we can start something. Thanks for liking. If you just join us, welcome. If this is your first time, welcome. This is my first, trading streams on, in the synthetic indices. All right, so we are going to do it this way. I didn't really prepare for any. Yes, I slept the whole day. I recently woke up to go for mentorships, for my mentorship class. Afterwards, I even have a lot of one-on-ones, right? So it's really a busy day, a busy Saturday for me. So just tell me what pair you guys want to trade, and we will start from there, right? Just tell me what pairs that you want, what crypto pairs are you guys looking at. Let's make an analysis. If we see great opportunities, we'll definitely take the trade. If we don't, we leave it and we go to the next thing. So guys, keep liking. Let's make it 60 at least. Let's make it 60 at least. United Regions of Ghana, okay. All the way from Takrade, Ghana, okay. Okay, I see Step Index, Bitcoin, Ocean, LTC. Wow, we have a lot. Let's make it 60 likes. So keep liking, guys. Keep liking, keep liking, keep liking. Bitcoin, okay, keep liking. 2 more to 60. We can start something up. All right, 60. Thank you. So let's start something up. So I don't know. I don't see my those ones. Can anyone help me? I don't see my tools here. Like, I don't know how to explain this. Look at US 30. I mean something like this. Like these stuffs. I don't see them on my binary. Are you guys having the same?
Yeah, I have the same issue.
You also have the same issue. Okay, they don't want us to make analysis. So today we are going to trade with naked eye strategy. I used to do that when I was, when I started trading. So we are going to trade naked eye on synthetics today, because they've removed our whole tools here and they don't want us to make analysis. So we are going to use what we see, our eye. We just notice that the trend of the market and we just predict our move with the trend. Hope it makes sense to everyone, right? So let's start with.
But we can even screenshot them.
Yes.
So what pairs you guys? I didn't really make any pair, but I see something interesting in VIX 10. There's a downtrend, right? Forget about the drawings. The drawings I drew it very, very late, so forget about them. There's a big downtrend. Lots of fake outs. You can see lots of fake outs here, fake out here. Another fake out here. So we will presume this to be a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Market is going for exactly a lower low. So I think we should sell VIX 10. Right, always you can use pencil. Great, let's use pencil. Thanks for the suggestion. Right, so this is a fake out, right? Another fake out. Now synthetics works that way, right? They just want to fake you out. They just want you to go into the market at the wrong time, right? So a lot of you are going to see a lot of fake outs. So someone would see that there's a big candle, another big candle has formed. This was what? A rejection. Look at this candle. This candle was a rejection, suggesting or pointing the market to go up. And what happened? The market fell. So they are just trying to convince you to do something. You have to do the opposite of what they are telling you to do. So that is all I do, right? So there's a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. You can see another fake out here. So I think it should be a more sell, like the trend of the direction, the trend of the market actually. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, highs, lower lows, lower highs. So yes, it has to dump more. What do you guys think? So VIX 10, it's a very slow pair. It's very, very slow pair. It's a pair for those with small accounts, right? So yes, I think this should sell. I don't know. I think this should sell. Wow. So let's go for a sell on VIX 10 at current price. Let's go for a sell on VIX 10. If you think otherwise, you can let me know. If you think it's otherwise, you can let me know. I just made an analysis from the 4-hour time frame, right? Because the trend is still, a downtrend, a big downtrend. The trend is still a big downtrend. Let me delete everything. So today we are trading naked eye because we have no tools to use. So yes, this is a nice overall downtrend on a big time frame. Right, so I think this should be a fake out. Then we continue going down. So VIX 10, let's sell the market. Where are we going to put our TP at? Our stop loss. Or we should just wait on it. What do you guys think? Those on the Zoom. Emmanuel.
I think the person saying that we should wait may be thinking that we have to wait for it to break that support over there.
Okay, there's a support here. Okay, so you want us, it has already broken that support. So you are talking about this support. You're talking about this support.
Yeah.
Elvis, I think it's going down because if we check, it filled all the wicks. So under that, there's a clear candles.
Yep, I also think so. So VIX 10, right? Sorry, VIX 10. Let's sell VIX 10 now. So sell VIX 10 now. That's going to be our first trade. Sell VIX 10 now. Sell VIX 10 now. Use I think the lowest lot size is 0.30. So ask me what balance you have, and I'll help you. Identify what lot size you should use. Okay, help me identify. Help
I want to use it.
Help me know what lot size.
$150
$50 account, use 0.30 lot size.
150.
Use 0.30. $150 account, use 0.30. 0.3, yeah. Okay, so from $300 downwards, right? Use 0.3 lot size. Use 0.3 lot size. So first trade VIX 10 sell. Right, we are just using if you just joined us, we are just using naked eye, right? I just look at the markets, look at the momentum of the markets, come to the smaller time frame, look for entries and take a trade. So there's a downtrend, you're looking for selling opportunities. It has to break the previous lower lows, so it could be a sell to somewhere here, right? Somewhere there. So let's sell. 0.3 lot size, yes, 0.3 lot size for $300 accounts below and below. Great. So let's go to the next pair. Just give me any other pair. Let's talk about any other pair. Whether cryptocurrency, whether synthetics. Right. So 76 likes. Let's push this to 100, maybe if possible. Let's push this to 100. Keep liking, guys. Keep liking. So first trade VIX 100 sells. Those on the Zoom, please do let me know what trade do you guys want us to take, or what pair do you guys want us to. And I didn't prepare any pair today.
ETH USD.
BTH. That's Bitcoin. What?
No, Ethereum.
ETH. Okay, ETH. Yeah. Okay, I thought BCH. Bitcoin Cash. Right, let's do ETH. Let's go back to cryptocurrencies. Ethereum. All right, so this is Ethereum. There's Ethereum. Ethereum is still in an uptrend on the 1D chart. What type of trend is this?
Uptrend.
This is a nice uptrend, right? Is this a strong uptrend or a weak uptrend?
A strong uptrend.
It's a very strong uptrend because it doesn't have a lot of pullbacks. You can see no lot of pullback. So yes, Ethereum is currently at what, a lower low. Yes, so we are looking for buying opportunities on Ethereum. But the question now is this the right time to buy this? Right, is this going to be the right time if we want to buy Ethereum? Let's see. If you're going to use trendline, let's see. Right, so why don't we wait for the whole market structure to confirm? Because there's nothing interesting here, right? We can wait for Ethereum to go to maybe 4713. If it breaks above, we can maybe look for the next zone here, right? And we can be looking for buying opportunities if market breaks above this. So we are going to use buy stops on Ethereum. It's a good trade, it's a good setup trade, and we'll be looking for 164 pips. Yes, 164 pips on Ethereum here. Right, so this is what we are going to do on Ethereum. We are going to risk little, of course, as usual. We are going to risk very, very, very little here. So it's going to be something like this. We are going to put stop loss at where stop loss should be. So we are going to risk, is it 60 pips? I wouldn't risk 60 pips. So let's say we're going to risk very, very little here. Let's say 50 pips for 164 pips, right? If that makes sense to you guys. So yes, there's an uptrend. We are looking for buying opportunities. So, but we just want market to. There's nothing interesting here. Price can come here and reject this level and have a breakout to the downside and blah 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 blah. So we are looking for real entry moves, real good moves, right? So Ethereum USDT, Ethereum. So we are going to use buy stops on Ethereum. Yes, sir.
Why you choose that entry, please?
Why did I choose what?
The entry, the buy stop here.
Why am I choosing buy stops? Because there's a whole range here. There's nothing interesting here. You can see this was giving you a buy vibe and it got rejected to a sell. So anyone that took the trade here because he or she saw this candle is at loss now. Markets price faked them out, right? Price faked them out. So we just want to be sure if price can break above this whole zone, we have a nice range to play here. And if price can break above this zone, we have a nice range to play. Same analysis on what we did on gold. Yeah, same analysis on what we did on gold.
Same, I guess.
That's why I said LTC. Don't worry. Yes, we will trade LTC. Okay. We'll trade LTC. We'll trade anything that you guys want us to trade. Just be patient. Okay. Just be patient. So let's do a buy stop on. Let's put a buy stop here. Right. So Ethereum USDT. Our first trade for this. Our second trade for the day. Buy stops. At 4711, right? Buy stops at 4711. Where would our TP be? Our TP would be 4878. So let me put it now. TP 4878. That's like 165 pips. So our first trade was VIX10. If you just joined us, we took one trade on VIX10 sells. TP open, SL open. I'll come back to update that later, right? Okay. Pardon. Isn't profits. All right, we will see. It's too early to call, a win. Too early. It's a very slow pair. I don't really like trading it, but it's very good for small accounts. Stop loss for this should be 4655. Which is like 50 pips. Like 50 pips. All right, so ETH cryptocurrencies, right? So we are trying to raise 50 pips for 165 pips. 1:3 risk reward ratio, right? So this is going to be the trade. So we just have this candle to await. If this candle could break this, we could have a nice push up to this side at least, then the next to be that side. Right, you can see it as breaking above. It's trying to this whole thing is a range. Okay, that is why I didn't want to buy with market order. I just want to see more confirmations, more of the candle pushing up. If it closes, another candle opens, we can go for a buy. So let's see. So buy stops at Ethereum USDT. All right, please, I'm having a hard time. Okay, I would do this. I would send you guys register Derive with this coming. Let me send a link so you can register on Derive broker. Right, you have a broker. I'll send a link ASAP. Okay, I'll send the link to you guys ASAP.
What did you call it?
Derive. I'll send a link. Don't worry. I'm going to send the link. Those that don't have the link, I'll send it ASAP. Okay. Okay, we have it here, so let me just send it to my email and post it here. Those on the Zoom, let us see your face. Come on, let us see the face. You guys are very, very cute guys. Yes, you should verify some documents before. Alright, should try to verify some documents before. That's my man, Emmanuel. I think Emmanuel, you are more of a crypto guy. You don't really do Forex. Alright.
I'll do both.
This is a link. I'll just copy the link and come post it somewhere here. Recommended broker. So yes, you can go to my bio, right? Go into my bio, you will see the link for Derive. Let me just write link for Derive. Synthetics. Okay. Let me see. So just go to my bio, you will see it. You see it there. So today is synthetics and cryptocurrency trading day. Like, comment, ask anything. Follow me on all my socials. Instagram, that's my link over there. Twitter, you should follow me on Twitter too if you want to. Because I always make some predictions on Twitter, and that's the recommended broker EagleFX. That's the link to synthetics, right? You have to have MetaTrader. That's the link to my free Telegram community. And that's the link to my lifetime signal, if you want to pay. And note this, right? Note this. I'm not a financial advisor. All content you see here is provided for educational purposes, right? And I'm not promising anyone, any guaranteed money. I'm not promising anyone any guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management always. Okay, we trade what we see. We are 113 here, but we have 89 likes here. Wow, 20 people don't like me. Do like this. Let's see 100 likes at least. Let's see 100 likes at least before we continue. So 2 trades now: VIX10 and Ethereum. VIX10 and Ethereum. It will still be. Can we trade crypto on Derive? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. 5 likes more, guys. 5 likes more. Just 5 likes more. Just 5 likes more. Let's do this. 2 likes more, 2 likes more, 2 likes more. God bless you guys. God bless you guys. Amazing. Right. So let's continue. So VIX 10 still playing around entry. Right. What other pair? Let's go to the next pair. So VIX. So Ethereum BTC, right? Buy stops at 4711, stop loss at 4655, TP 165 pips. You are risking 50 pips for 165 pips, right? Buy positions because the market trend is an uptrend, right? So you are looking for buying opportunities. Okay. Next pair.
Please, what do you think of Fed?
Sorry, come again.
Fed.
Can you type it in the comment section? I hear fen.
This one with you. You're so embarrassing. He's so embarrassing.
He said FET.
J for good.
Kindly type it in the comment section. I can't hear you. Feg. Okay. Feg. I've not heard Feg before. I've never heard Feg.
Yeah, I've never too.
Feg. Okay, it's a token. Desmond likes tokens a lot. I don't do tokens, but let's see. Let's help him analyze it.
You always do you check that ACA token?
ACA, no.
That one that you said you're gonna check.
Okay, so this is fake. I don't know what you want to see again. Alright, so your fake is dumping. I don't know. Who told you to buy fake? Man, there's nothing to fake here. What I can tell you is your fake is going to Bogota in the wrong way, in the wrong direction. Right, let's go to the next pair. Imano, you were talking about a pair. I don't see anything interesting. When I see something like this, I don't want to even look at it.
It's 251.
Okay.
No, I asked if you later checked that ACA token that we discussed about earlier.
All right, let's check it.
ACA token on CoinMarketCap. So you're gonna read it.
ACA.
On CoinMarketCap that you're gonna read on.
Okay. Go. We'll let's finish with VIX 251S before we talk about that one. Okay, let's VIX 251S. Okay.
Are you going for buy?
So
What is happening to all my devices? Okay, VIX 251S. What's your bias on it?
like I said, I'm seeing a downtrend. I think from the 4-hour time frame.
From the 4-hour
Like there's a
time frame.
trend. There's a trend here, from the top to the down.
Right. So 4-hour time frame. Okay, look at this. This is very, very interesting.
Also, there's another thing within a 2-hour time frame, like a small triangle or something.
Okay, let me just delete all my trend lines. We are trading naked eye on synthetics today. Okay, so this is a channel. Okay, this looks like a channel. Right, now look at this. Yes, the direction is a downtrend. We should be looking for selling opportunities. You can see market is having series of what? Lower lows, lower highs, lows, highs, lows. It's definitely breaking the previous lower lows always, and this was the last lower low. So yes, you're looking for selling opportunities, but is this the right time to look for selling opportunity?
Not at all.
I think we should buy this trade though.
No.
It should. It
No,
should. It
I
should.
think
It should at least. It should at least
so. At
buy
least
to.
break the
Exactly.
Yeah,
previous
maybe it's
one,
good.
like
Maybe it could retrace to
lower.
fall down
It's
after.
Yes,
buy.
it should. Yeah,
The
at
good
least
buy.
scalp buy for this. Then we can
Yeah.
sell it. Something like this. I see something like that. It's yes, it should sell, but I think the entry wouldn't be fair. The entry wouldn't be great, right? The entry wouldn't be great. So I would be going for buys here, but yeah, you were talking about a 2 hour time frame. What's there? What's so interesting there? Let's see.
Let's check on a daily time frame. It's a clear buyer for me.
Okay, so look at this. The 2 hour time frame. See, markets. The downtrend has already formed. If you're going to draw a trend, you're going to draw a trend line from here to what? Touch there, right? And if you're going to draw another trend line, you're going to draw another trend line. There's a channel, a nice clear channel. If you're going to draw another trend line, pass somewhere here. Yes, this failed to break to touch the previous trend line. That makes this also setting not to also touch this trend line. So the whole BOS is around somewhere this level. So we're expecting market to come somewhere at, let's say, 41k before it goes down. So I think yes, it's a scalp buy, but I wouldn't really go for a buy here. I'll just wait for market to come here before a sell. That sell happens. Right, so it's going to be a scalp buy. So this is, if you're going to sell the market now, it's going to be a very bad entry. If you're going to see,
Okay.
yes, it should scalp buy somewhere here. Fail to reject 41,0900, then we'll go for a sell. I hope it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes, so this wouldn't be. This is a very good trade. Yes, we are looking for selling opportunities, but it has to buy before. We want to get into the market at the right time. You feel me? Yes. Yes. Next pair, please. Next pair. What pair do you guys want us to look at?
Who said we should go to the coin market cap?
Alright, call my market cap. What do you guys want us to look there? AC. I've forgotten the coin. ACA.
Yeah, you see, you said
It's a token, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so ACA. Let's read their white paper. What projects do they have for us? Okay.
So, what is it about the white paper thing like?
All right, great. So white paper, if you're going to read white papers, it's actually for big investors, right? So white papers would actually let you know about the coin. How many people have, every coin for cryptocurrencies, right? If a coin should push up, right, that means a lot of people should invest in the coin. That's why you see these whole tokens like that, those Wakandas and those things. A lot of people are trying to make or are trying to gain a lot of people to come into their coins. Like if you convince me to buy Wakanda now, it helps or it boosts the price of the coin. So a lot of people are just going about buy this, because if you convince someone to buy something, it helps. Okay, traded hedge board.
Yes, when a lot of people buy, this impacts the market.
It impacts the markets. That is why people go about with these things.
It happens also in meme coins.
Yes, it happens. They convince a lot of people to buy. And okay,
for example, you remember the coin that I told you that session, Saitama. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
It's pumped a lot.
10 million custom, 21%, 19%. If a trader holds a greater amount of to receive. I don't need to see these. I want something. Okay, they've minted before. It's past. Okay, October, November. Man, it's a good on a larger scale. This is going to be a good coin, but for now it's still not the kind of coin that I want to see. it has a good ecosystem, yeah, but it has lots of partnerships, but still it still has a long way to go. If I were you, I would not it still has a long way to go. It still has a long way to go. Still has a long way to go. Market cap 30 million. It still has a long way to go. Supply chain, it still has a long way to go. Let's look at the ratings. And not no. It still has a long way to go. Let's not waste our time here. It still has a long way to go. But you can invest. You can invest in, but it's going to really take you a long time because it's going to take you a long time. A long time.
There's this one called Chiliz. CHILIZ.
CHILIZ. Desmond, please kindly mute your audio. Oh, you're the one talking. CHI.
CHILIZ.
Chiliz. Oh, CHS. It's a good coin. I'm in already. You don't need to tell me. Chiliz is a good coin. Alright, it's a good coin. Last time I gave a coin, Lina. Let's see how Lina is doing. Last time I gave a coin, Lina. Let's see how Lina is doing. Lina. Don't disappoint us. Alright, so Lina it still has a long way to go. I showed you guys 500%. It still has a long way to go. Long way to go. Lower low, lower highs, lows, highs. It still has a long way to go. Alright, next. VIX10 1S. What has VIX10 1S done? Okay, so we talked about VIX10. We are in a sell on VIX10, right? We are on a sell on VIX10. Let's look at VIX10 1S. Guys, bring the pairs. Let's trade them.
VIX 25.
51s.
Okay, VIX 51s. Let's do VIX 51s.
You posted a setup like this morning.
I did. No, I've not posted any setup today.
No, I did.
Whoa. Okay, it's had a breakout and it's definitely going to push to 59k, I think. Let me see. Some breakout. So normally after every breakout, market should retest, but I think the break and retest was done here. Broke, retest, and boom. So it should push up to this whole level. We could be getting some buys on I'll be looking for buys if I want to be trading this. Why? Because the pair is on breakout. Big candle, another big candle. You remember the rules about candle formations? Max, what's the rule of candle formations? What's the rule of candle formations? Never sell against a big candle. Never. So yeah, I think this has to keep pushing up. It has to really keep pushing up. But now listen, if you're going to trade or you're going to see a pair as this, right? If you're going to see a pair as this and you're going to trade on a pair as this, don't take the trade because you've already missed the move. We've already missed a move. Just be looking for selling opportunities here, thinking that markets could have a an impulse move, a correction, an impulse move. There should be a correction somewhere soon before another impulse continues. So I think we've missed this entry. Let's just leave it. Very simple. You don't need to chase it. Oh, I think this is on a breakout, let me buy. You buy, and what if you buy and market correct? Market can correct before it also goes. So it was supposed to be a good trade, but we missed it. End of story. Right. Next pair.
Have you checked Doge overs?
What?
This thing.
Doge coin. Okay. Right, Dogecoin. What is up with Ethereum? What is up with Ethereum? What is Ethereum?
Dump when it's dump. So
Ethereum dumped.
it's
No, it didn't dump. It's still on course. We just need to, when the buy stops gets activated, we will definitely be in a good, because this whole thing has been activated. So it's still floating. Let's see. All right, so Doge. Let's talk about Dogecoin. Doge. Right? Did I hear you right? Doge. Okay. So what's happening on Doge now? Should we buy Doge now? Oh, should we buy Doge now? Yes, Doge would be good for a buy. Yes, you can buy Doge on spot, but I don't like trading Doge. I don't like holding Doge. It's just Doge, Shiba, those coins, any coin that has made people millionaires already. I don't want to be a part of it because I've already missed the whole move. So why would I want to, be a part of that move? So yes, Doge, you can be, if you're going to be trading it on futures, you can be targeting 300 points. Sorry, 300 pips. I'm still used to stock saying this points. So Doge USDT, you can trade it on futures. Yes. Ben, what do you think? Is Ben here?
Bro. Yeah, I'm looking for buys on Doge too. Like I'm looking for buys on Doge.
Okay, he's looking for
well, everything depends on how it will move.
also a box on 1 hour time frame.
On Doge.
Like if you check 1 hour.
I see. Okay, great. Yes. Market is consolidation, nothing interesting. You put your box down yet. So market to price break above, nothing. You can do nothing. You shouldn't do anything. I think scalpers can be looking for buys. If I was an aggressive scalper or an aggressive trader, I'm looking for 80 pips here. Buy this, take partials after 50 pips, and I'm out of the market. And so that's that for Doge. I say George. All right, can we scalp sell VIX 251s? We talked about it.
You think we can scalp sell the VIX 25?
No, I said we should leave it. Don't care about it selling. There's going to be another pair, right? Don't care about chasing the market. Trying to. This is called FOMO. You are trying to, chase the move. Right? You're trying to chase the move. You're trying to chase the move because that's lower lows definitely has come for a lower high somewhere here. So this could be a fake out to trap a lot of sellers, then it pushes up. This could also push down. It's whatever, but I'll be looking for buys and I'll put a sell limit here, a sell stop here. Sorry, a stop loss here, a sell limit here, and my TP will be back here. That is what a smart trader, because you're not too sure here. You're not really too sure there.
Okay, so what about step index?
Step index.
Let's check.
Step index has been stepping on me in a while, so I don't really look at it. Let's see what's happening there. Okay, step index. Hey, what have I done here? What was I doing? Was I asleep or drunk? Okay. Step. Nothing interesting here on step 2. Nothing interesting. What's your buyers on step though?
I think it has to sell hard. Like it has to
yes. Look at this. Look at this whole trend.
Before I interrupt, okay, I have my tools on binary.com, so you can
Just refresh it and see if it will come.
Okay. No, I don't have mine. I don't know why.
Maybe your screen resolution.
How should I do it? I don't know anything about this. I just make money. help me check it. How?
You can pull it. I think it's beside charts by trading view.
Okay, where is it? This chart by trading view. Yeah.
There should be a tab like an arrow.
And there's no arrow. Don't worry, I'm good. Where?
Okay.
Man, I'll figure it out.
Let's check the settings. The settings.
Zoom out your browser like that. You press Control and then you use your scroll button.
Okay, press Control, ICT guys, and you use your what?
Your scroll button.
Okay.
No.
Control plus, let's say down key.
Okay. Control plus the minus sign.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you see that?
Okay. Nice. Oh, so it wasn't derived, it was meme bon. Oh. Okay. So I thought it was derived, not knowing it was me. Okay. All right. So now I can trade with my tools. No more. Right. So there's a trend of step in this market is having what? A downtrend. Like you can see it. If you're going to draw a trend line, this is how it's going to be like something like this, right? So we are more concerned about what's happening here, right? We are more concerned about what's, because this could be either a break, retest, pushes up, or breaks, fails to break. A failed break or a failed sell is a strong. A failed buy is a strong sell. So if this couldn't break above, definitely we would reverse back to somewhere here. So market would have to come somewhere. So yes, it could sell. It could be a very, very strong. But I'm really interested in what's going to happen here. Nothing to trade on step index.
Yeah.
Nothing. Though it's a downtrend, someone will move his trend line to this side. Well, it's okay, because this was the whole step index trade, right? Look at what happened here.
Yes.
This is what we call a false break. Market breaks forcefully, convince a lot of traders to think that there's a breakout, and what happened? It took all of them out for a sell, and they made a lot of money. So that's the same thing happening here. A breakout. A lot of people are thinking there's a confirmed breakout. Market had a pullback. So there's nothing interesting on step index. Let's wait. Right. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Nothing interesting. Else you lose money to sell, you buy. If it buys, you sell. Like it would be. So let's keep on waiting on step index. Okay, nothing interesting to trade here, unless maybe you are looking for scalping opportunity. Yes, I'm bearish here. Trust me, I'm very, very, very bearish. But man, let's see about this whole move. So step in as we would see. I'm not going to take any trade here. Just leave it. You're not supposed to trade everything. Like, you don't see opportunities, don't just leave the market, go to the next pair. All right, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Last time I predicted a sell, we had 9 sells. Right, so what is happening on Bitcoin now? Look at these whole sells last time. Boom. Nice. From all the way down from 68k to it even came 62, I think. Yes, to this support. It respected my support and went up again. So what is happening on Bitcoin now? What are we going to do on Bitcoin now? So let's look at the 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin, right? I'm not going to say Bitcoin is bullish, right? It's too early to call Bitcoin bullish. When Bitcoin is bullish, it would move from 64 to even 74. That's when you say Bitcoin is bullish, but it's still going up, coming down, going up, coming down. And small accounts will definitely be losing money. So Bitcoin, yep. Let's still wait on this. Nothing to trade here.
Sure. Nothing on Bitcoin.
Nothing interesting on Bitcoin. Let's still wait. That is why you can't really propose what move you want to, do on altcoins, because Bitcoin is not really, it's not really, how should I put it? What's going to be the English word? It's not really consistent. So, but we'll see. If it breaks above 65k, we'll see if you are going to long more altcoins.
Always.
Yes.
Always.
Yes, sir.
Please, I want to ask the least amount of money that you would advise anyone to invest in cryptos. Any cryptos.
Okay, the least amount of money one should invest in cryptos. Bernard, what do you tell the person?
The least amount. Is there a guy in there? Because Charlie Ghana had.
Forget about the location. Talking dollars. Everyone knows. All right. So
I be Ghanaian, bro.
Let Bernard tell you what least amount he wants to.
I think 500. 500 is okay.
For sport trading.
USD or CDs.
Yeah, for sport trading, 500 is cool. You can start with 500. For futures, you can start with 100, 120. Then you'll be targeting 50%, 70%, 50%. Like that, you are good to go.
All right.
For futures, it's slow. When you start to, when you open an account, it's very slow.
Now, sports trading. Let me show you a trick on sports trading. Right. When I started with, let's say, $300. Sport trading, you are not going to stay there. Listen, you're not going to stay in sports trading for a long time. Now, erupt that kind of long term that people have put into our heads, and everyone thinks that you have to hold a trade for long term before you can make it on sports trading. It doesn't work that way, right? If you're going to be trading on cryptocurrencies, right, and you are a sports trader, if let's say a signal is posted or whatever coin you want to analyze, if you are targeting a 50% and you're having a $300 account, right, and you make 20 or 30% on that coin, close everything, sell everything and move on to the next spot coin. There are a lot of coins. There are thousands of coins, hundreds of coins. Be a scalper.
What happened on here?
Exactly. People would just be holding trades for several years. You don't do that. If, let's say, I've posted a Lina, that Lina would go 500%, and you are having $300, you're not looking for all the $500. You're looking for 50. You get your 50%. You are done. You have $150. Your account now becomes $450. You move on to the next spot trade, and you keep on moving that way. It's going to help you in the long run than we always trying to hold trade for 1 year, 6 months, thinking that you are going to be profitable on spot trading. I've seen people move, small accounts, $200 accounts, $300 accounts on spots. So yeah, it's very, very possible. It all depends on how you are going to trade it. So yes, you can be a very, 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 very profitable sports trader on cryptos, on Binance. Just be moving the coins don't keep all your portfolios or all your coins in one place. Just keep on moving it from A to B, coin A to coin C. You'll be making the vibes that way than to hold it a lot. So 400, 300 is okay. 500 is very, very, very much okay, if you would ask me. All right, so let's talk about VIX 75. But I think step has to maybe come down here. I don't know. Step has to maybe come down here to.
I mean, it's
180.
still though. I mean, it's still.
Step, because I don't think it will definitely come. No, it should sell. Should we
Yeah,
resell?
it's
Or
all-
what
I
do you
mean,
guys think? What do you guys think? Should we resell? Because this could be it. Should we risk sell? This could be
It will
it.
definitely touch 910.
Into what?
Myself to that
To
support
99.
level.
I think definitely will sell to. We can put TP1 at 9 to 1 to TP2. Like this pair will
Alright.
sell. It will
Alright.
sell.
So let's do
It will
this.
sell.
Step index. Let's add step index to the vibes. So sell step index now.
To the vibes.
Now it has to sell. If it doesn't, to remove. I would have want to leave this trade, but let's still take it. So sell step index TP1, that's first blue line, that's 9215. That's like 80 pips, right? 80 pips. TP2 somewhere here. Let's say 9204, right? That's like almost 200 pips. And have you tried Bybit before? Yes, I've used Bybit before, and our last TP would be 9187. So step index, and we'll put our stop loss above. We'll put our stop loss above this. So sell step index. You can ask me of your account size. I'll help you know what loss size you should use. Okay. So let me write. Step index sell now. So now. That price. Okay. So the TVs are only there. You don't need to ask me what, you don't need to ask me what you should be doing. Blah blah blah. Alright. And our stop loss will be somewhere there, 137.
Elvis,
Yes, sir.
please, when I draw my boxes and the trend lines in the 4-hour time frame, and when I go to the 1-hour time frame, I don't see them.
Maybe you're also doing what I was doing. This maximizing. Do you maximize your screens?
Yeah, I did that.
So just minimize it a bit. You get it. Alright, so sell step index now. Let's see how it goes. I'm not really confident with these sales though. I'm not really trust me. I'm not really confident with these sales. We shouldn't take this trade, but let's see. This is from Ben. This trade is from Ben. If it goes well, kudos to Ben. But there's not my kind of entries. These are my kind of entry setups. Stop loss is there. 9236. It's on the screen. 9236 and TP. The last we have 3 TP, so you have to go for which one you want. 9215, 9204, 9189. Okay. 91. Someone is saying Ethereum is taking off. Let's go check Ethereum. Has it been activated?
Yeah, sure. Because Bitcoin is pushing.
Right. It hasn't been activated yet, but I hope it does soon. Let me take an entry. So buy stops, right? Buy stops. We are risking just 50 pips, just 50 pips, right? For 160.
This trade will be like yesterday's good trade.
Yeah, it has similar setup. Right.
Yeah.
It has similar setup. If it goes out, blame it to Ben. Yes, blame it to Ben, because if it goes good, to blame it to Ben. Kudos to Ben, because it's not my kind of setup on step index, but it's in profits though. Step index use 0.10, 0.20, 0.30. $90 use 0.10 something.
You guys should watch your move. It will sell big time.
Yes, boss. We fed you. I was in a sell though. I was in a sell from that 9 to 30 something. So, but I didn't want people to risk. But let's see. Let's go now. Okay. So that's going to be our TP1. TP1 is 80 pips. TP1 is 80 pips. TP2 is going to be
But Doc,
yes, sir.
please, this one there. Let me ask, why didn't you put TP2 at the next support from TP1?
It's a bit close.
Oh, okay.
Very close. So close. And the final TP is 300 plus pips. You can ride it towards that place. Let's see what happens. And remember, the stop loss is 9237. Right. Yes, thank you, Emmanuel. Always, what's your advice on Shiba? Should we sell or buy? Kindly advise us about it. I'm not trading it. That's my advice. It's already done. I keep on repeating this every session that we have here. It's already done. It's made a lot of people millionaires. There's no need of venturing into this. Okay. There's no need of venture. Yes, sir.
Please, how do you get to spot upcoming coins that you work on?
Okay, how do I use to spot upcoming coins?
So you have an app where they let you see.
Yes, I use an app. I would send it to you. I don't want to say it here. I would send it to. I think it's on a crypto course. I did a. Did you watch the crypto course? Or I'm not on
cryptocurrency.
I'm down
the crypto course.
There was no part that said that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I think it's a good trade because if you see, we have clear candles.
We've already broken this hold, so it's good.
Yeah,
it's
good. It's going to melt.
This looked like it was a fake out to fake people into buying it and failed, and we are coming for TP1, 30 pips to TP1. VIX 101S. This guy will beat me. Let me just look at the VIX 101S for him. Oh, VIX 752. Okay. So there's VIX 75. what's so interesting here? Um, okay, VIX 75. I think it has to sell. It's simply a sell. Why? Support, sorry, resistance, support. It's very simple. Okay, if that's the case, everyone would have been making money. Nope. Oh, so this whole thing is ranging on the 4-hour time frame. There's no trend here. There's no, I can see there's no trend here. I think it has to scalp sell. What do you guys think? It has been rejecting this whole resistance. Rejecting this whole resistance. But if it really breaks above this, it's a whole free range trade.
Elvis, you think it's a fake out, this one here? This trend line that I drew?
What trend line? Come again.
I drew it with blue.
Yes, there was a trend line there. Yes, it's fake people out. Yes, it's what we call a false break. So people were just waiting for break and retest. Then what happened? Nope, market reverse.
Yes.
It's now becomes a reverse. So it's going to push to a sell to maybe these levels. But should we really take a sell on VIX 75?
Maybe we can put a sell stop under that.
I'll be looking for buys. I want buys on VIX 75. Buys to this whole free range. Look at this.
Or also Elvis, we can put a sell stop under here.
No, look, if you're going to put a sell stop under, someone put a sell stop below this. This is not Forex that you should be putting sales. This market doesn't really care. It's not like Forex that is made with news.
Yeah. So you said in your course that it's manipulated.
It's manipulated. Yes. It's a bit different. So you can't be using sell stops, buy limits like that. Like you have to make a decision.
Okay.
You have to always be making 90%. You're looking for decision making, right? It's all about understanding what you are doing there.
So it's not always respecting the price action.
It doesn't. It's how should I put it? Is it 80%? Right? It's just 70-80% respects price action. 70-80% because everything is manipulated. You can see a nice uptrend. Market is here, you are going to go for a buy, then it comes here before it goes up. This whole thing was manipulation. This is how derive works. So you have to be very, very smart with these.
Doc, to the best of my knowledge, I think we should leave this trade because he may reject this support here.
Yes, I would leave it. I'll leave it. It's ranging. I'll leave it. All right. Always please talk about NFT. Yes, I did made a video, a nice video on that. I'll do post it. I have a lot of videos to post on YouTube. I'm just lazy to post them. Let's go by looking at our step index. Yep.
Please, should I text you for the app?
Yes, you can definitely text me. Definitely.
See you right now.
Definitely. I'm not online now though. You can definitely test me.
I would like to know as well if it's possible.
Alright, for sure. Do test me. If you want to trade cryptos with small balance, look at these Korean coins. They are going to really help you. But I've passed those stage of using. I've passed those stage. Like now, I'm not even doing cryptos more. Like I do US30. I've graduated. That's how I see myself. I used to be a chronic crypto trainer, but now, man, it's like I've lost the whole zeal for cryptocurrencies. So you can see, Karim, if you're going to put sell stop here, you can see this is now retracing. It's just how derive is. Yes. You don't use much of sell stops and those stuffs here, right? Always, what broker are you using? Okay, so Ethereum is still playing. Let's see, it still hasn't gotten activated. Right, so there's the stop loss, buy stops, TP.
But Elvis, crypto is respecting. We can't put buy stops until
Yes,
stops.
cryptos. It doesn't. Cryptos too that don't really respect. Cryptos too don't really respect technicals. It's respects lots of fundamentals and technicals. All right. So there is a link here, guys. Link in bio, right? Link in bio. You see synthetics. Use the synthetics to register, right? Synthetics, that's the link over there. Link for synthetics, and there's a recommended broker, Eagle FS. If you want to trade Ethereum with it, Eagle FS, register with it, and you can follow me on all my socials. And note this: I'm not a financial advisor. Practice proper risk management. Take trades at your own risk. Okay. And make sure to like the video. If you just joined, do like the video, please. TP for step in the TP1. Everything is on the screen. I don't need to come out again and say. TP1 is this, TP2 is that, TP3 is that. Week 10 is not really buying, it's just minus 50 cents in loss. This is what we're talking today about in classes, in a class. Conservative traders, they see minus 50 cents loss running trade. Their minds are doing shakara. So like I said, you can't trade synthetics with being a conservative trader. I mean, like, all right, we extend. Let's
take it. Let's tell ourselves.
Pardon?
Let's check VIX 100. What's happening there? Let's check VIX 100.
VIX 100 is for, it's for big accounts. It's if you're going to be a small account trader, you can't be trading with VIX 100. So yes, its price is rejecting. Let's still see. It has a resistance here. So if it breaks above the resistance, we may close. So we are still seeing nothing to be panicked about. So VIX 100. Oh. Okay, VIX 100. How would you trade this? Now, any pair that's this could be an uptrend, right? This could be an uptrend. Now look at this. Any trade that normally has pullbacks. Any trade that has pullbacks, what normally happens?
Break of trend or change in trend.
There would be a change in trend, in market direction, or violation of market structure very, very soon. So yes, this is an uptrend, but it's what we call a weak uptrend. The whole, there's been a lot of pullback. Market goes up, comes down, goes up again, comes down. It makes it a weak uptrend. So weak uptrend, you know that the market is going to fall hard one day, but you just don't know when.
Sure.
You just don't know when. So you understand that, that okay, if I'm going to I'll not even be looking for longs here on VIX 100. I don't trade this pair though, but if I'm going to trade this, I'll just put, let's say, a trend line there and see what happens. But I know that with what I know with the trends, I know that market is going to have a break of market structure or a violation of the trend soon. If it even breaks above this, I know that it's still going to come down one day, right? Because of the series of, or the sequence of pullbacks that we are having. VIX 100 is for big accounts. If you are a conservative trader, don't trade this pair. VIX 100, and it's for people with hearts. It can make you a lot of money. It can also make you lose a lot of money. And even with the smallest lot size. Alright, so so far two trades taken. Now this is getting interesting on Ethereum. This candle has closed, another candle has opened above, so looks like our buy stocks would be activated. Even not here, it will still be activated on even if we close early, right? Even if we close early. So any other pair, right? Any other pair. I'll never give a VIX 100 signal to people on live. I'll never do that. Never. People would have a funeral.
VIX 101 is 2. I'm looking for.
You're looking for what?
Sales on VIX 101 is.
Why?
I've been taking sales on it.
Why?
Please let's check on the daily time frame.
Alright, daily time frame. Let's. Alright, so daily time frame. This pair is on a downtrend, but look at what happened here. Downtrend series of what? Let's start from here. L8, lower lows, but this couldn't break below this, making it a ranging market here. Okay, so we start again, lower lows, lower highs. Yes, lower low, a lower high. So definitely we are targeting what? A lower low somewhere here. We would see. Yes, I would also be looking for sales on this pair. I would be looking for sales on this pair, but with what? Let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the smaller
it's
time
really
frame. Yes, it has broken a support here. Right, it has broken a support here. So we'll see. It's still early to call this. Still very early to call this. So let's wait. We can also put a sell stops here. We can also put some sell stop here. Something like this. A sell stop here. And because this whole support has been violated. Look at this whole support has been violated. Right, so this support has been violated. Maybe market broke the support and came for a retest and boom. So it could be a break, another form of break and retest. Let's see. So even if I'm going to trade this, I'm going to put a sell stop here at 1700, 5700. Okay, 5700, and my TP would be 5500. 200, is it 200? Yes, 200 pips. So let's do this, right? We would wait for all these, then we'll take the trade. So sell stops on VIX 100. One is sell stops at 5710. Alright, sell stops here, and we'll put our TP, our full TP here. 500. Always please check boom 500. Okay, TP at 500. After this, I have lots of one-on-one classes that I have to attend. So if I don't reply on messages, forgive me. Right, today is really a busy day for me. Saturdays are normally the days that I have time for my mentees. Alright, so TP 200. I think it will even get activated soon. And now stop loss, always put stop loss at where stop loss should be. So we're going to put a stop loss above 5780. Right, so we are going to risk less for more as usual. So just ask me what lot size should you use. I'll guide you on that. Right. guide you on that. Sell stops here on VIX 100 1S. Always check crash, it's selling. Alright, so this is going to be our second trade. Someone can type it on the chats. Someone can type it on the chats, in the chats. So we have 40 pips. If this breaks this level, it gets activated, we'll take this trade. So I'm looking for sells on VIX 100 1S, also on sells on step index. So we have 2 trades running and 3 trades, and a sell on VIX 10. Okay, let's check. Boom, 500 too. Boom, it's ranging. There's nothing to trade here. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Boom, is ranging. Nothing to trade here. It's ranging. Nothing interesting there. Let's go check crash 500. Oh yeah. Hey, let's check crash 100 1S. Let's check crash 100 1S. Yes, this looks like a good trade. Look at this downtrend. I like trades like this, trending trades. Right, I'll be selling crash 1. Yes, I'll be selling this. So crash 500. Let's sell this. Sell crash 500 too. ASAP. Yeah, now crash 500. I like trades like that. So now I'll give it TPs and SL soon. I like trades like this. Like, I love trades like trending trades like this. TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so let's see. Crash 500. We are going to put TP somewhere here. Now stop loss would be where stop loss should be. Above the zone or above the range, somewhere here. No, above the zone or above the candle.
Elvis.
Yes, sir.
You prefer you like to draw trend lines on the wicks, not on the body.
You can draw it on the body, but I love drawing it on the wicks. That's me, because
Okay.
I'm much more of a wick guy.
Okay.
Wick fill guy, kind of guy. So sell crash 100 now. I'll come and give you a TP and a stop loss soon. Ask me the lot size. I will help you. Emmanuel Awuku. Hey boye, what is boye? Let's go check step index and Ethereum. What is happening there? So sell crash 500 to now. Sell it ASAP.
Step index and profits.
Step index and profits. Nice. $70. Use the lowest lot size. 0.10 or something. Let's look at step index. Let me pause this and give another tune. One of my tunes. Let's play Serendipity. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, this is it. Yes, now I'll be closing this in 20 minutes. We will be done and we go. Alright, TP1 looks like it's about to be hit. What broker do you use? There's a broker I use. Link in bio. This is a broker, link for synthetics. Right, use this broker, register with it. Money on my mind, now I'm eating like it's chowder. Stopping on these markets, now these brokers acting sour. Listen, running over niggas, man, I feel just like a fraction. Making all this money, Van Damme with the action. Flowing with the trust, man, I do this with a passion. Maybe one day I'll be living in a mansion. I'm back, those. Alright, jump 10. That's $1 million tip. Jump 10, what's your bias on it? What's your bias on step? I think it's a downtrend, and yes, we are looking for sales on jump 10. Right, yes, there's a nice downtrend. So sales on jump 10, but we wouldn't take this trade.
One hit on step index off.
TP1 hit on step index. Wow, nice. So there's a nice downtrend. Sales, you're looking for sales. So yes, bro, you're looking for sales, but I'm not going to take this trade. So jump 10, yes, I'm looking for sales on jump 10, but I'm not taking this trade. But you can take it if you want to, but I'm looking for sales. You know the vibes. Okay, so credits to Bernard. We trade this trade. I wouldn't have, though I was in a selling it, but I didn't want to give because I didn't really like the way it was playing out. Right, TP1 smashed. Alright, repeat, please. Repeat, please. Let's check REN USDT. Okay, REN. REN USD. Nothing interesting, right? Downtrend, nothing interesting. Just leave it. Just don't do anything. If you're in a sport trade, keep holding. That's my advice. Alright. Listen, running over niggas, man, I feel just like a fraction. Making all this money, Van Damme with the action. Flowing with the trust, man, I do this with a passion. Maybe one day I'll be living in a mansion. I'm mad chance, mad boss, just a week. The bullish market got me green lighted for a jeep. Catch a beat before you sleep, that's $1 million tip. Taking back, this a trail, 7 DVD is quick. I got money on my mind like you already know. Reading all the chat, I be going with the flow. And if you want some money, I'ma show you all the sauce. CYRPTOCURRENCY Academy. Right, so TP1 smashed on step index. Someone says $20 backed on step, 12 days NSSP. Someone is also saying $400 backed on step index. Yes, in Ghana it's going to be a little money, but it's all good. It's someone's NSSP in a month. You're making it on a Saturday. Nice. Yeah. Alright. Boom, 500 I said is ranging. There's nothing to trade. Now listen, know when to trade and know when not to trade at all. know when to trade, know when not to trade at all. Okay, so know when to trade, know when not to even trade the pair at all. Tin. This is the hardest part of the song. I mean, that's the hardest part of the song.
Elvis, please, how much pips for the TP1?
80 pips on
80 pips.
step index. That's 80. We are looking
Because
for maybe 200 pips, then we close for the day.
I don't understand how pips are working.
Alright, this is how you understand how pips works. Look, let's say we took the entry at 9226, right? Let's say, I don't know where we took it. Maybe let's say, is it 9224? Okay. Let's say 9223. We took it the entry at 9223. So if you are going to deduct, if our TP1 is 9215, right? Let's do the subtraction. How many pips do you have? 80. It moves 1 pip. Okay. It moves 1 pip.
Oh, okay. For the lot size, how much dollars for?
0.10 is means it's going to move 10 cents per pip.
Okay.
10 pip per pips, right? So TP1 smashed, guys. Nice. Going well.
I think Bernard should explain to us why.
Yes, it's a very simple trade. It's a very simple trade. Trade has been ranging. It's a very simple trade. Trade has been ranging. I didn't like. I like trading in trends. Let's say there's a ranging trade. If market goes here, market is definitely coming to come here, right? If market comes here, market is definitely coming to come here. Once it's playing in this box, that's what's going to happen. Right? So very, very simple. A songs of Revelations are saying. So you get it. So that's a very, very simple. Can't explain in between this book. So it has to come somewhere here before it goes up. Very, very simple. I've made $15. I've made $20. Somebody saying
Still running, bro.
Dollars. And nice. I'm still running. I'll leave you guys here. We took 3 trades, right? We took Crash 500. I'm still holding Crash 500. I'm still holding VIX 10. I'm still holding Jump 10. Jump 10 sells. VIX 10 sells. Step in there sells. Crash 500 sells. And Ethereum buy stops. Right, that's it. Those are the trades that we took here, and we've not really made any big L here. It's just, Alright, so if you need mentorship, what have you, can just text me and come get the vibes, right? Any questions so far? Bernard, thanks for joining. Desmond, thanks for joining. Emmanuel, thanks for joining. Forex, for real, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Karim, thanks for joining. Maxwell, my trading partner, thanks for joining.
Thanks to you, bro. Thanks to you.
Michael, thanks for joining. Any questions? Any questions on the comment section? I feel weak.
Thank you too. God bless you.
Yeah, man,
we need
to go rest and charge up for Monday. Right. Any questions for those watching? No, I don't trade patterns. Patterns are the kind of traders that would trade this double bottom, W formation, goes up. Man, I don't trade all these things. I don't trade all those stuff. All right, so guys, go listen to my song. I was a rapper. At this part. I featured. They featured me. Let me put it that way.
Please, which SHS did you attend when you were in Ghana?
Opoko
Did you go to
school.
specific?
The best school in Ghana. Opoko High School.
I see.
The best school in Ghana.
Everybody's school is the best.
No, what school did you go? You just tell me, and I'll give you
Prempe. Common Senior High.
Prempe is somewhere 50th. Cromai somewhere 100. Like
1,000.
All right, so guys, God bless everyone for joining. We had fun. We had nice 80 pips. I'm still holding this trade for at least 200 pips, and I'll do update you guys on the TPs and everything on the group, right? So keep awaiting, keep holding all trades that we took here. I'll give you guys updates on all the trades. God bless you for joining, and see you same time Monday, right? Monday we are going to be taking similar trades. Okay, God bless everyone.
Please, I'm waiting for my reply on the app.
Yes, I may not reply now because I have another class in 8 minutes. So don't worry. But I'll reply before I sleep. Okay.
Yes,
I have another class in 8 minutes.
All right, for sure.
I have class till 3 a.m. So that's my schedule today. Very, very, very tough.
Hard work.
Bro.
Tomorrow.
Someone says I completed Thomas Aquinas. That's also a good school, but OWAS is there. We are there. Right. So guys, God bless everyone for joining. See you guys.
See you, man.
Same time. Bless. Wow. Always, can you say something about US30? Yes, US30 is my bitch, and I'm a legend in it. That's what I have to say. So see you.